Is GoHighLevel just another pyramid scheme, or is it your path to making millions in 2025? Hundreds of online marketers, myself included, are quietly earning millions reselling GHL sub-accounts. After all, how do you think I afford this Miami penthouse? Well, it's actually through a secret strategy called infinite white labeling. But there's a catch, and I'm sure you've noticed. Every online marketer in the world seems to be jumping on this GHL bandwagon. So is it all just some pyramid scheme designed to take advantage of ignorant new entrepreneurs? Or is there a secret leverage loop that 99% of entrepreneurs are missing?
So what is GoHighLevel? Well, it's an all-in-one CRM that's designed for agencies and small businesses, and I run all of my own companies on GHL, including my 8-figure agency and Lead Gen J. This is a tool that I use myself and love and have watched grow for the past 4 years. And I've watched as their dev team has put other companies out of business. ClickFunnels, gone. Calendly, on its way out. And the reason for it is GHL has been able to bring all of those tools under one roof, and they've been able to do an incredibly good job at integrating all of these different features in a really clean way. That way you don't have to patch things together, and now you have one tool that does everything, and you have all the data in one place. So here's some examples of features that GHL is known for, and this is mostly for business use, not for agency use. This is the features that you're gonna use every day, actually using GHL for yourself. You can build funnels, you can build websites, blogs, automated nurture sequences, and other sorts of automations similar to what you can build in Zapier. They're actually getting even better with that, with integrations with Google Sheets and Asana and a lot of cool third-party integrations. You can do email marketing, SMS, and they've actually now built AI agents into GHL, as well as all of the normal stuff like forms, funnels, webinars, and appointment scheduling. The scope of this tool really is enormous, and that's why reselling it is so easy and why there's such a frenzy to use GHL. But what makes GHL really special is their ability to resell the sub-accounts in something called infinite white labeling. Now what this means is I'm able to slap my own domain and logo onto GHL, and now I can sell sub-accounts without my clients knowing that it's GHL, because it's got my logo and my domain. I can rebrand the software as I want, and I can easily sign people up for it just like you would normally sign someone up for a software, and I incur no additional cost, which is ludicrous. This is why software companies are so valuable, is because you build the tech and now you can scale the company infinitely without increasing your costs. Sounds awesome, right? Well, one more feature of GHL is an affiliate program, and this is why they've been able to grow so rapidly and basically destroy every other CRM out there. And it's because of this aggressive affiliate promotion that it sparked this pyramid scheme accusation. And we're gonna get into that to decide whether or not it is a pyramid scheme or not. And as you probably guessed, I am also an affiliate for GHL. They have the best possible tool. Why wouldn't I wanna get people signed up? And why wouldn't I teach people what I'm doing so they can make money as well? In fact, part of my affiliate strategy is I actually teach people how to build these white label GHL agencies. In fact, if you want my course on how to do that, it's 100% free in the link down below. Now let's decide if this is a pyramid scheme or an actual business. And to do that, we're gonna use the Costco test. This assesses whether or not GHL is actually a pyramid scheme or not. Definitively, we're gonna get the answer. So there's 3 tests to pass the Costco test. Test 1 is pay to play. See, most MLMs or pyramid schemes make you pay a fee just to be able to resell their thing. But with the GHL affiliate model, it does cost a fee to be able to start referring and become an affiliate, but you're not paying to refer users and to act as an affiliate. You're actually paying for the SaaS product. And this could be anywhere from $97 a month to $500 a month. Obviously, I'm on the most expensive plan because it makes my life as an affiliate much easier. Unlike MLMs, which you have to pay an upfront fee just to be able to sell the product. Now, test number 2 is the compensation structure. Is the earning of the affiliate focused on product sales or recruitment? The affiliate commission model that GHL uses is pretty standard, like the same as Amazon or Shopify or most other affiliate programs. You get a set percent, 40%, based on the number of people that you sign up. And unlike in an MLM where I sign up Joe, Joe signs up Mary and John, and the guy at the top gets a cut of the people at the bottom, that's not really the case with GHL. They do have a 5% second tier override, but it's limited and not built like a traditional MLM. And the final test is the reality of earnings test. Most MLMs or pyramid schemes will overinflate what's possible if you start referring or selling for them. That's why they put people in pink Escalades or give them fancy things so that they can show other people how much that person is making as an affiliate. Now, typically in MLMs, it's only the people at the very top of that pyramid who are really earning a good living. All the people at the bottom pay the initiation fee and they're trying to promote the brand and sell, but don't usually do well. GHL has over 100,000 accounts right now in 2025, and SaaS resellers earn over $500 million a year, and affiliates own $6 million a month. And based on the numbers from 2024, there's over 600 people making at least $10K a month using this infinite white label model. Now, the most important thing to consider, whether this is an MLM or not, is the product actually any good? Or are you just selling crap to unsuspecting entrepreneurs? Well, let's talk about the product for a second. As someone who uses GHL myself in my own businesses, I'm a little bit biased, but I have never seen a tool that's integrated all of these different functionalities. And the best part is you can add unlimited staff members and have unlimited leads, and your price doesn't go up. If you were to use all of these same types of features in something like a HubSpot or a Salesforce, you'd be looking at tens of thousands of dollars per month. So just really not a friendly solution unless you're an enterprise level client. So when we're determining whether this product is actually any good, we're really looking at value and cost. So for value, I already kind of mentioned all of the features that it has, and they're constantly building stuff in. There's almost nothing you can't do inside of GHL. I do some really absurd stuff there, and if you're interested in seeing some of those things, I've got a whole playlist on YouTube totally free going through all of my GHL setups and tab to tab, all of the tools. So that's the value. That's all the things that are included. But what about the cost? Even at the base plan that you can sign up with GHL, it's $97 a month. Now, you don't get all of the features with that, but you do get most of them, and you can create a couple of sub accounts. So if you're just getting started, that's an option that you can definitely take. And you may also be able to find white label sellers like myself to sell you a sub account for even less than that. In fact, I give out these sub accounts to people who join my insiders program, also linked down below. Now, I know this probably sounds too good to be true, but there are some weaknesses to GHL as well that are worth mentioning. Anytime you have a tool that does as much as GHL does, it's gonna be a little bit harder to figure out and to learn. Because of all the functionality and all of the features, there can be a steep learning curve. To go from total beginner to at least proficient in GHL, we're probably looking at 2 to 3 months to master. And if you want to master it, again, playlist down below. Now, if you're an agency trying to white label GHL to clients, this can be an issue because now you have to learn a new software. But it's also an issue for your clients. And now you're selling sub accounts to typically new entrepreneurs or business owners who didn't have a CRM before, and asking them to learn and adopt a relatively tough to use marketing tool. However, despite the complexity of learning it, it is absolutely worth it because of all of the stuff that it does. And this next part is one of the reasons that this is such a good offer and such a compelling marketing tool, and that's the snapshots. So if I am an electrician and I've built out a perfect CRM for myself, or say I'm an agency that helps electricians, businesses operate relatively the same. They've got similar funnels, similar calendars, similar workflows and automations. GHL allows you to build snapshots and export the configuration of your CRM. And then you can sell that configuration as part of the sub account to somebody else. This makes white labeling GHL that much more enticing, because these people are starting from zero and you're basically copying a perfect, fully formed business into their business so they don't have to deal with a lot of the learning curve, the copywriting, and all of the workflows and automations that they need to operate their business. In fact, this is how GHL white label agencies like myself are able to sell sub accounts for large monthly prices. I've seen as high as $500 per month because they're packaging that snapshot as part of the plan. Why wouldn't somebody pay additional fees to have a successful business copied into their business? In fact, if you join my free GHL white label agency course, you're gonna get my snapshot where you can basically copy all of my GHL white label funnels and workflows and processes so that you don't have to try and figure out how to build your own GHL white label agency yourself. So if you wanna see how those snapshots work, Join the free course down below. So back to some weaknesses that you can expect. This is a really bulky software. It does a lot of stuff, so it can be clunky and sometimes things don't work like they should. Although I got to admit, they've gotten much better and they fix things relatively quick. So if you're looking at things like the affiliate manager or the blog, they're a little bit old school. They definitely need some polishing and some work, but that's okay. The software does so much that it's worth dealing with some of those bugs and some of those features that aren't quite there yet. They also have a great support community. So their GHL Facebook group has hundreds of thousands of people. Their GHL support is great. They'll jump on a Zoom with you and fix things as needed. So even though it's clunky and sometimes things don't work, most of it works just fine 99% of the time. And there's always help for you if you need it. But is it ethical to use infinite white labeling to make money? Well, I've seen a lot of agencies do this in a really unethical way, and I want you to avoid doing this no matter what. So if somebody trusts you enough to buy a sub account with you and they're paying you $500 a month, a lot of times agencies will keep that account hostage because that person can't just export their sub account or do a snapshot. The agency owner needs to be the one to do it. So what are you supposed to do as an agency owner and you've got a sub account? They're like, hey, I want to transfer my sub account to some other agency because it's half the price. This happens all the time. And you, as the GHL white label agency owner, are going to have to figure out how to handle that. And I'll tell you how I handle it. There's a small export fee if you want to move it to another agency, just to cover the admin costs of actually facilitating that. Or if you want to convert that sub account into your own agency account, you can actually hit the eject button and then make their own agency account, and you actually get them as an affiliate referral. So my advice to you is be ethical. If they want to export their sub account, don't hold it hostage. You can charge a small fee, or you can just let them go to another agency and keep that relationship intact. But you should be sure to disclose all of that up front. This is especially tricky if you're an agency and you're trying to white label GHL as part of another offer. Now, say you're signed up for my PR agency and you're a PR client, but we also give you GHL and you start using it. Now, if you cancel your PR agency subscription, what happens to that GHL sub account? Now you're probably wondering, is GHL white label right for you, or is it some pyramid scheme that you should run away from? Here's how you can know if this is a right opportunity for you and join the gold rush and start making money using infinite white labeling. Well, if you're an agency owner and you do any sort of marketing agency offer, and you're typically working with clients that don't have an active CRM, you should absolutely be integrating this into your business and your current offer to try and get as many of your clients using GHL as possible, because it makes your primary offer much stickier. If you're like me and you teach business owners how to grow online, build online businesses, then you should also definitely be white labeling GHL just like I am. A lot of new entrepreneurs need this software, and you can sell it to them with appropriate snapshots, save them a ton of money, and equip them with the best possible marketing tool. I have hundreds of accounts paying me hundreds of dollars per month for these GHL sub accounts, and they're making thousands of dollars with those sub accounts. And I don't feel bad at all because I'm giving them the knowledge and I'm giving them the snapshots to be able to leverage this tool. And I don't gatekeep anything. If you sign up for a GHL sub account with me, you get all the features, unlimited users, unlimited staff. It doesn't cost me extra. It shouldn't cost my clients extra. And if you're trying to white label GHL and be like me and have a SaaS company of your own built on the back of GHL, then you should absolutely grab my free GHL white label course, learn how to do infinite white labeling, and copy my snapshot to really expedite your journey. Because believe me, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. So who is this not suitable for? If you're someone who is hesitant about technology, slow to adapt to new tech, you get frustrated with stuff, and you don't feel like fully learning a new tool, even if you know it's going to change your life, then this is probably not for you. Because of how powerful this technology is, it can be a little bit steeper of a learning curve. So if you know that that's you, then this probably is not the right opportunity. But if you're willing to learn, then there's a lot of money to be made. Thousands of people, and a lot of people that I know, are making millions of dollars white labeling GHL and starting their own infinite white label agencies. So just to wrap things up, a little bit of a summary. Is GHL a pyramid scheme, an MLM, or is it a real gold rush opportunity? Well, in my opinion, it is a real gold rush opportunity. Now I have my own software company without having to build any software. And this software is the best in class. It's the easiest thing to sell and a really sticky solution for my clients. And I'm able to sell these sub accounts and get monthly recurring revenue without increasing my monthly payment. That is just like a software company, and that is an incredible opportunity. Now, what I don't do is I don't tell clients that it's not GHL, that it's some proprietary software. I let them know this is GHL and you're getting it at a price that is better than you would pay them. Plus, you're getting my snapshots and my support systems. So make sure you're transparent, make sure you're ethical, and make sure that you launch a GHL white label agency as soon as possible, because it is getting crowded. And the longer that you wait, the more people are making millions while you sit on your thumbs. So to expedite your journey, grab my free course down below. You get access to all of my snapshots, all of my marketing plans and strategies, and it's all 100% free. The link is going to be down below, so make sure that you click it, get signed up, and start your GHL white label agency today. And if you want to learn more about GHL, watch my playlist on GHL where I break down each individual feature of this tool so you can get the most out of it. That playlist will be linked around here, so find it, click it, and I will see you soon.